Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create viral TikTok Shop product videos. So first is you have to open any web browser, and then using the search bar is you just have to type out Creatify. So let me just type it out right here, and then just have to click on enter, and then you would be able to see this different options right here. So just make sure to click on this website right here, this first one, the creatify.ai video generator. So just click on it. Then once you're done, right here you can generate your first ad for free. Okay, so Creatify is an AI powered app that generates high quality marketing videos from a simple video. So when you click on this option, then you'd be redirected to the section where you can share links to your products. So Creatify supports Amazon, Shopify, and you've got different options right here. So you can upload manually or analyze the URL. Okay, so now let's go back and create a new tab and then type out Amazon.com, and let's try to find a product that you want to create a video. Okay, so for example, Amazon listing product. So you just have to go ahead and click on it and then make sure to log in or sign up for an Amazon account. So right here, let's try to get a viral product right here or best-selling product, so our video will be worth it. For example, this one, I want to create a video for this, so you will then just have to copy the link at the top. You just copy and then just have to paste it right here. Okay, now you just have to click on analyze URL. Then once you're done, of course, you have to sign up for an account. So you have to type out your email address, your password, and then you just have to click on sign up, or you can sign up with Google. So I'm going to sign up with Google right here. So I'm going to use this account, and then you will then just have to click on it and then type out all of the needed details or information for you to create your Creatify account. Now just click on continue, then just wait for a couple of seconds, and once you're done, you'd be able to see these sections right here, so you can tell them about yourself so that they can help you to improve your experience. So are you a business owner, a marketer, creator, or agency, or other? So you can choose any of this and then just have to click on next. So which industry does your business belong to? So you have the e-commerce, the app, the finance, so you can choose if what kind of business or industry your business belong to. Okay, and then once you're done selecting your industry, then you will then just have to click on next. So right here, what is the size of your company? So you have 1 to 10, 11 to 50, and then just have to click on next. Okay, and then right here, what kind of videos do you want to create? You want a video ad, social media videos, product, service, explainer, or entertainment? You can choose any of it. Now, how did you hear about them? So you just have to select any of this and then click on submit. Then once you're done, you can now analyze your URL, and right here you would be able to see the product name. So this is, you can add media and product details, so you have the product description as well, right? So you don't have to type it out manually or to think out the best description for your product. And of course, you can also edit the media, so just click on this edit button right here, and you'll be able to see the different images for the product that you have imported or that you want to create a video. So you can also rearrange this, or you can also remove some of the media that you think you don't need for your video. And then after that, you will then just have to click on next. Now you can now set the video settings right here. So for the aspect ratio, you have 9:16, 16:9, or 1:1. And for the video length, you have 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds. And for the target audience, you have the optional right here, and for the language as well, and then just click on next. So now AI is generating the scripts, so choose your favorite scripts right here. So you can select this AI script, or you can do it yourself if you want to. And then right here you can also problem solution, and let me show you. So you can select any of this, or you can generate more scripts right here. So just click on this option and you'll be able to see here another scripts that you can actually use. So you can just select any of this. So you can also go ahead and do it yourself if you want to, if you want to type it out manually. So you've got a choice to do so. So if you found the best script for your products, you just have to click on select and then just have to click on next. Okay, so just click on the next button. Now AI is generating the avatar. Okay, right here you just have to select the visual style. So you've got a lot of options. You just have to choose the best one. So right here you have these options right here for the product. You have the full screen, the green screen effect, and then the quick transition as well, and the overcards. And at the right side you've got the avatar, the voice, duration, and the music. If you want this to turn on or turn off, you can also go ahead and click on the editor. So when you click on the voice section right here, so just click on the voice and then select the female or Cecilia. So you've got different options for here that you can actually use for the voice. Okay, so for the ratio, you've got the 9:16 that we have discussed earlier. Now let me just preview the music or the voice for this one for you to listen.
It's the bathroom chaos every morning. That changed for me with the rust-proof adhesive shower caddy. Now and
so if you want to make an edit of the videos, you just have to do it manually. Just click on this editor section and then you'd be redirected to this page. And right here you would be able to see the details of the video, all of the elements. So you can edit any of this, the audio, the text, the image. So you can do all of this. Okay, so right here at the left side you'd be able to see these options. You've got the script, the avatar, the assets, the music. So if you want to add an asset right here, you can do that. And for the music, you can select any of these categories. You have the trending, the rock, or the short sound. So you can add if you want to. And then right here for the text section, you can upload right here brand logo. And if you're done, you just have to click on this render option at the top right of your screen. And of course you have to upgrade to get more credits and remove watermark from your video. So you just have to click on this render with watermark if you really want to save this one with a watermark on. Okay, then you just have to wait for a few seconds, and then after that your video will be saved. So let us now preview this one and then play it.
Chaos every morning. That changed for me with the rust-proof.
And then now you just have to click on this download button right here. And even if you want to remove the watermark, so just simply click on the watermark. And of course you have to pay for a monthly plan. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.